Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, I'm going to show you how to set up a GPS grid highway on your nautical chart. You can use this to avoid dangers on both sides of your boat. In this technique, you'll use the latitude and longitude function on your GPS receiver. Here you can see we're going to pass through these two shoals and we'll be tacking through with a north wind. We draw a northbound track line in the center of the pass. Check the chart to the right and left side of the track line and determine the maximum distance you can sail away from the DR track line on the right and left side. Draw a due north and south line on each side of the track line, measure the longitude of each line, and label the lines as shown. These two lines represent the sides of the highway. You will need to stay between these two lines for safety. Next, you want to draw two lines in an east-west direction, one at the entry point and one at the exit point. Measure and label each of these lines of latitude. Mark the approach point as entry and the clearance point as exit. As you enter the entry point, you will be hard on the wind and you'll watch your GPS receiver. As soon as your GPS receiver reads the same as your longitude line, tack right away to stay in safe water. Again, watch your GPS receiver on the opposite tack, and again tack right away as soon as your GPS receiver reads the same as the labeled longitude line on the other side of your DR track line. Continue this sequence until you have cleared the exit line. You can also use this same technique when sailing due east or west. In that case, you would set up the edges of your GPS highway with two latitude lines and your entry and exit points with longitude lines. Remember to always use more than one method of navigation along with your GPS. Combine your GPS with the depth sounder reading and bearings to confirm and verify your navigation. Now you know how to create and use a GPS grid highway to avoid dangers in your path. Use navigation tips like these for safer sailing on the waters of the world. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.